go to the deploy sections, deploy the implementation A, implementation B, and finally the storage collision proxy. So go to the storage collision proxies, copy, is this implementation A or B? Let me see. I think this is implementation B and this is implementation A. So let's copy the address of implementation A and set it in the storage collision proxies. Command V, set, and now you're going to go for the implementation A and deploy with respect to the proxy, deploy it, and we'll get this one. We're going to set the value to be like 90, set value, get the value. Now we're going to proxy, we're going to upgrade the contract with the implementation B, set the implementation. Now copy the address and deploy the implementation B with respect to the proxy, and finally we'll get this one. And if you click on the initializer, it usually should be a 0, right? When you are initializing the boolean value, it should be 0, but here in this case it's going to be true, false. It's not false and it's true because there is a collision between the storage of implementation A and implementation B. So here you can see at the slot 0 in implementation A we have value, and in slot 1 in implementation B we have initializer. So if this is going to be 90, anything other than 0 in solidity is going to be true, so it returns the value true. Now you can set the value and you can return the value, and so that's how it works. Hope you got a clear case study for storage collisions when using proxies for upgrading contracts. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.